You don't need to be a tech expert to use AI effectively. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use AI tools on AI Finder Africa to achieve professional results using a very simple process. Now let's get started. So I'll show you how to use AI to generate pictures of yourself. Now to start with, you're going to have to find your own reference. You're going to find your reference. Now I'd recommend Pinterest for that. Go to your web browser and search for Pinterest. Here we have it. So open Pinterest and search for the type of professional headshots that you want. So I'm going to check out for a lady in a corporate outfit. And yes, feel free to save the one that matches your own vibe. So I'm going to go for this one because it matches my vibe. Yeah, I'm going to download the image. So download image. Okay, so we have our image downloaded. So this is where AIFinder.Africa comes to play. Go to AIFinder.Africa. Okay, so this is our home page. Here you get to search for any AI tool of your choice. And so I'm going to check out for ChatGPT to give us a prompt. Okay, so here are our results. So let's go to the next page. We have GPT image, OpenAI, we have ChatGPT here. So click on ChatGPT and go to the website. Okay, so we're going to prompt ChatGPT to give us a detailed prompt. So I'm going to say, give me a detailed prompt to turn my image into a professional headshot while keeping my facial features intact. Okay, so we have our prompt here. So feel free to copy this prompt, and then we're going to have to go back to AIFinder.Africa to check for another AI tool. But first, let's copy this one. Let's copy this prompt. Okay, copy. Now back to AIFinder.Africa. So we're going to search for another AI tool known as Gemini AI. So I'm using Gemini because I'm much more conversant with it, but you can also use Nano Banana. I chose Gemini because Nano Banana and Gemini works hand in hand, so you can feel free to use any one of your choice. So let's search for Gemini. Okay, so we have Gemini here. Okay, so first off, let's upload our pictures. So that will mean a picture of yourself and the one we downloaded from Pinterest. Okay, so this one. Okay, I think I have a picture of I'm going to use this picture of myself and the one I downloaded earlier. Okay, and feel free to insert your prompt. Okay, now let's generate image. Now see what we have here. Okay, it didn't exactly give me the image, but then you feel free to tweak the prompt to give you the exact result that you want. But I think I'm fine with this, so I'm going to save the image and then go back to aifinder.africa to check for another AI tool known as Whisk. I don't know if you've heard about that tool before, but you can trust aifinder.africa to find it for you. So we're going to check out for Whisk here. Okay, so let's search. And of course, here we have it. So we're going to go to the next step. So after you've generated your headshot, so you open Whisk and then you upload your AI generated headshot and use the simple prompt. Okay, so I'm going to add my image. Yeah, I'm going to add my image. Okay, this one. Remember, we're uploading the AI generated headshot, the one we generated from Gemini. So we're going to add our prompt. Change the position of this image and place it in different spaces. Let's go. Okay, so check this one out. If you have ever wanted professional looking results of photos without stress or without expensive tools, this video is just for you. So if you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.